Joshua 7:6. And Joshua tore his clothes and fell to the earth upon the face before the ark of the Lord until evening. He and the elders of Israel threw dust upon their heads. So they were mourning over what had happened. And by them being in the presence of the ark of the Lord, he isn't worshiping the ark, but he's showing reverence to God. We need to show reverence to God in our times of mourning and grief, because that's the hardest periods to do that. Wait a second. Okay. 1 Timothy 3, 6, and 7. Okay. 1 Timothy 3, 6, and 7. They are the sort that inseminate themselves into private houses, and they get their miserable women into their clutches, women burdened with sinful past and led on by all kinds of desires, who are always wanting to be taught, but are incapable of reaching the knowledge of the truth. So he's referring to a bunch of troublemakers who go in to people's homes and teach this corruption, which means today it's within the churches. Back then it wouldn't have been in the churches because people would have stood up to it. Today the church didn't as much, so there's certain aspects where this is allowed because it don't offend anybody and it just causes trouble though. And they prey on the weak, the women. It mentions the women. That applies to those who are weak. We gotta understand and watch out for that still today. Anyone who's teaching things that aren't biblical, we gotta watch out for. They'll use any tactic they can to get their message across. We're to stay clear of it.